We're going to look to go short. And remember, this scalp target that's going to keep sliding over still has a 91.7% chance to be cleared the same day that it prints. So what does that mean? This is a perfect short from our swing indicator to have a big move during high volatility of FOMC, and we're going to look to short this all the way down to this target. This is the FOMC strategy you wish you knew ahead of time. This is the Truealgo indicator. These circles are our daily scalp targets. If you look up to the top right, you'll see right now we have a 91% chance to clear that scalp target when it prints over a 3-month period, and it will hit that first day 91% of the time. These boxes that you see are our Truealgo reversal boxes before a trend starts. When price gets inside the boxes, you do not act. When price closes beyond the box, you target the next box higher. When price hits the box and loses it, you target the next box lower. A simple strategy to follow, because we can predict where price is going to go before it gets there and how to react to it. It allows us to set ideas like this to react. Watch what happens when FOMC prints and what price reacts to it afterwards. Here we have that target above us. You can see now that it's been cleared and price is starting to close in the box. We're not going to look to act in this box. If price closes above the box, we're going to be bullish. If price closes back below the box, we're going to be bearish. A simple strategy to follow. We now are clearly closing below the box. This is an area look to short. And as you can see, from our algorithm, we're able to predict a short for our traders. Now really quick, you'll see here, this is our free Hines indicator, and this is the July FOMC. If price closes above the FOMC high target, then you look to go higher. If price closes below the FOMC target, you look to go lower. If you're not a part of our membership subscription indicator, you have no idea about these boxes. So right when this FOMC candle prints, it goes straight into our reversal box, and price stops immediately. So where many traders would have longed this FOMC breakout, they would have got stuck at this high when our indicator told our traders 3 days in advance this is a high probability for price to stop there. We help traders not get trapped. And as you can see, a perfect rejection from our swing box down. We're still holding the FOMC low from our free indicator, so for now we are still bullish till we lose the FOMC low. As you can see now, we have another bullish push up. We are above that FOMC high. We're at the top of our box. And now we have a bearish target below, and we're slowly starting to creep back into our box. This is now the second to third time we've come into it. So as we're going to do this, we're going to give it a little bit more time as it goes above. We're going to note that we're above the FOMC high from our free indicator. You can see we're starting to get bullish candles straight up. There's no reason to short. We don't play inside the box. Once we close above this box, where you might want to get to this scalp target, we're going to keep targeting higher and we're going to catch this trend. These are reversal boxes, but when you start closing above it, you target the next box. It allows you to catch that trend, and we'll look to short this bigger area here. We're during FOMC when we're expecting heightened volatility anyways. And lastly, because we're on our free indicator that we give out to everybody for FOMC and the other high impact news events, we're currently above the FOMC high, so we're going to target higher. And now our traders know if we close above our box to target higher as well. Where you want this target to get hit, we're now in the middle of nowhere, cleared and closed above our box, so we're now going to target along all the way up to our bigger swing reversal box above. There's no reason to go short till we close back below this box. And that, my friends, is how Truealgo works. We've now hit our bigger swing box. This has been here for the entire week, waiting for us to get here. We now build that short position, look to come get a back test. There's no reason to get bullish until we get a close inside the box to target the upper side of the box. We're going to look to go short. And remember, this scalp target that's going to keep sliding over still has a 91.7% chance to be cleared the same day that it prints. So what does that mean? This is a perfect short from our swing indicator to have a big move during high volatility of FOMC, and we're going to look to short this all the way down to this target. If you missed that original short from our indicator, but you're somebody who likes to use fibs, go from the high to the low, and there's your perfect golden pocket short. If you use fibs and you're always struggling for consistency on when to pull them, our indicator, because of the reversal tendency, can show you this is most likely where that golden pocket should form correctly. And just like that, you can see our daily scalp target was hit. There was a 91.7% chance to get cleared. But our traders knew once we closed above our free FOMC indicator and we started closing above our first swing layer box, we now trend up to the bigger swing box. We get a bearish close, beautiful sweep down to clear that huge target, and that's how you roll with Truealgo. If you want help during the New York session, we're here to help you 5 days a week. We do this live in our Discord. You get an indicator that helps predict market movements, showing you when the trend is forming before it happens. And when there are big news events like FOMC, we're here to help predict where prices are going to stop and when they're going to break out. Come join us at truealgo.com.